Hello everyone, to use auto broadcast in VJ Director, go to Tools and select auto broadcast. After that, it will pop up a Windows with the auto broadcast interface. By click on Add Channel and then select the channel you want. And set the duration of the channel to play. After that, click OK. The channel you select will appear on the list. You can also add local file. Search for the local material. As you can see right here, to configure, double click on it. You can change the arrangement by clicking the up button to move up or down button to move down. You can also add CG file in the CG file list by clicking the add button, then browse the CG you want. Inside VJ Director have some built-in template to use. Select the CG you want and click open. Beside the order, you can also select the time and set the time you want to play the CG and also the duration of the CG. After that, click OK. The CG will now appear on the CG list. Then to start, click on the start button. When the file is playing, it will change the color to green. Just now we set the time 10:26 AM, so now the CG will appear on the BGM monitor. When the first file is complete, then it will automatically play the next file. You can also check the log right here. Just click the stop button to stop the auto broadcast. To delete the file, select the file you want to delete and click on delete button. Then it will no longer add the list. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.